Hi, today we are going to do solving quadratic equations by factoring. So we have given solve px squared plus qx plus r equals 0. This is the general quadratic equation here. Then you are given to solve. So in that case, first of all you have to check whether you can write this one as product of two brackets. So let's take, we can write that one as product of two brackets, that is x minus a times x minus b equals 0. If you can write like this, then these are separately equals to 0. That means x minus a equals 0 or x minus b equals 0. Then we have to subject x. How do you subject x? Here x minus a equals 0. We have to add a to both sides. X minus a plus a equals 0 plus a. Or here this part we have to add b to both sides. So x minus b plus b equals 0 plus b. Then minus a plus a gone. X remains, x equals 0 plus a, that is a. Or x minus b plus b, minus b plus b gone, x equals 0 plus b, that is b. So x equals a or x equals b is the answer. Example 1, solve x squared plus 7x plus 10 equals 0. Then I take this expression x squared plus 7x plus 10 and I write here and check whether I can factorize this one. That means whether I can write this one as product of two brackets. So how do you check that? How do you do that? First of all, we have to check the square term coefficient, that is 1. Then that 1 multiplied by the constant here plus 10, 1 times plus 10, that is plus 10. Then we take factors of 10, that is 1 times 10, 2 times 5. Then since here plus, we have to add the factors to make the linear term coefficient, that is 7. So 10 add 1, 11, 5 add 2, 7. Then we select 5 and 2 and write 7x using 5 and 2. How? 7x equals 2x plus 5x. Okay. So I write here x squared plus 2x plus 5x plus 10. Then I take first two terms and take common things out. So here x to the power 2 plus 2x, then x and x is common. So I take x out, then x squared divided by x, that is x, plus 2x divided by x, that is plus 2. Then I take next two terms, that is plus 5x plus 10. So 5 times 1, 5 times 2, then 5 can be taken out. So the sign is plus. So I write plus 5, then open bracket, plus 5x divided by plus 5, that is x, then plus 10 divided by plus 5, that is plus 2. Then check the brackets, x plus 2, x plus 2. Brackets are the same. So I can take that bracket out. So I write x plus 2. Then when you take this bracket out, what remains? That is x. Then from here x plus 2 out, plus 5 remains. So factors x plus 2 times x plus 5. Then instead of x squared plus 7x plus 10, I write x plus 2 times x plus 5. So I write here x plus 2 times x plus 5 equals 0. Then I can write separately this bracket equals to 0 and this bracket equals to 0. So x plus 2 equals 0 or x plus 5 equals 0. Then I have to subject x. So how to subject x? I have to send plus 2 to the other side. So x equals plus 2 sent to the other side minus 2 or plus 5 sent to the other side, minus 5. X equals minus 2 or x equals minus 5. Example 2, solve 3x squared plus 10x minus 8 equals 0. Then I'm going to write this expression here, 3x squared plus 10x minus 8. Then I'm going to factorize. How do you factorize? We take x squared coefficient, that is 3 times minus 8, that is minus 24. Then take the factors of 24, that is 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. Then I will take the difference of the, since here minus, I will take the difference of the factors to make this plus 10. So 10, 24 and 1 difference, 23, 12 and 2 difference, that is 10. We have factors. So since minus, 1 is plus, 1 is minus. So here plus 10, how do you form plus 10? It is plus 12 minus 2. Then I write here 3x squared plus 12x minus 2x minus 8. I take first two terms and take the common things out. 3, 12, 3 times 1, 3 times 4. Then I can take 3 out. Then x to the power 2 and x also common. So 3x squared divided by 3x. So x remains plus 12x divided by 3x plus 4. The next two terms minus 2x minus 8. So I can see here 2 times 1, 2 times 4. Then 2 can be taken out with the sign, that is minus 2. Open bracket. Minus 2x divided by minus 2, that is x. Minus 8 divided by minus 2, that is plus 4. Then I check the brackets. Brackets are equal. Then we can take that bracket out. So I write x plus 4. Then when you take x plus 4 out, what remains? That is 3x. Then in here, x plus 4 out, minus 2 remains. So I write this in here. That is x plus 4 times 3x minus 2 equals 0. Then separately I equalize brackets to 0. So x plus 4 equals 0 or 3x minus 2 equals 0. Then I subject x plus 4 sent to the other side. X equals minus 4 or then minus 2 sent to the other side. 3x equals plus 2. Then we don't need 3x, we need x. So divide by 3, divide by 3. Then x equals minus 4 or 3 get cancelled. X equals 2 over 3 is the final answer. Okay, example 3, solve 2x squared minus 8x equals 0. So here we have two terms. Then check whether we can factorize this one. So I write it here, 2x squared minus 8x. So 2 times 1, 2 times 4. 2 can be taken out. X squared x. Then x also can be taken out. So altogether I can take 2x out. Then when you take 2x out from this, that is 2x squared divided by 2x, x remains. Then minus 8x divided by 2x, that is minus 4. Then I write that here, that is 2x times x minus 4 equals 0. Then either 2x equals 0 or x minus 4 equals 0. 2x equals 0 or x minus 4 equals 0. Then x subject divide by 2, divide by 2, x equals 0. Here minus 4 sent to the other side, x equals plus 4. So x equals 0, x equals 4 is the answer. Example 4. Solve 4y squared minus 25 equals 0. Then I write the expression here, 4y squared minus 25. Then I check whether I can factorize this one. So 4 times 1, 4 times, it's can't. Then y squared, and cannot take anything out. Then we have the option difference of two squares. Then check whether we can write this one as difference of two squares. Y squared is already there. Then check whether numbers. 4 can be written as 2 squared. 25 can be written as 5 squared. So I write 2 squared y squared minus 5 squared. Then 2 squared y squared can be written as 2y bracket squared minus 5 squared. So this is difference of two squares. Then I can write the factors 2y minus 5, 2y plus 5. Then I write that here 2y minus 5 times 2y plus 5 equals 0. Then either 2y minus 5 equals 0 or 2y plus 5 equals 0. 2y minus 5 equals 0 or 2y plus 5 equals 0. Then subject 2y. So 2y equals minus 5 sent the other side plus 5 or 2y plus 5 sent to the other side equals minus 5. Then divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. 2 get cancelled. Y equals 5 over 2 or 2 get cancelled. Y equals minus 5 over 2 is the answer. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.